Welcome to Casa Kerins. Today we are going to try
to paint the refrigerator.
Exactly what she said. We're going to paint that refrigerator. It is white, and we're going to be using some Rust-Oleum Appliance Epoxy in black. This fridge is quite a few years old. It was my husband's fridge. We call it the POLAR VORTEX. I'm gonna say that again. We call it the POLAR VORTEX, cause sucker can freeze like no other fridge. Babe, how old is this fridge?
16 years.
16 years old. Okay. It was his first fridge. His dad bought it for him when he had his first apartment, and this sucker is still going strong. So we're gonna paint. The first thing we're gonna do is
we're going to sand.
Thank you. Exactly what she said.
Excited to see how this comes out.
Me too. I'm a little nervous.
Don't be nervous. It's a basement refrigerator that's 16 years old.
I mean, no, I don't have issues with this. I'm just nervous about this, spraying anything that I don't want.
Just try to be controlled with the sprays and the best that you can. Whatever happens, happens.
Mommy is taping the plastic. I just tried that. Mommy, if the red house is ugly, we have a new house. Is trying to do her best.
Just finished sanding, and I'm trying to reinforce the drop cloth because I have been using spray paint for a good 2 months now. I'm getting used to it, and overspray is real, and I am not trying to damage any of my walls down here. I don't really care about the blue floor because we're going to be covering that up, so who cares, okay? My co-host wants to share something with you. What do you want to share? Just get in the camera. What do you want to share? What do you want to share?
So our red house must be uglier, so we have this new house.
All right, let's get cracking on this. I'm nervous and I want to pee on myself, because y'all know when I get nervous I want to pee. So let's just do it.